from others, and the function of the overall to build the relationship with others, and respect for overall. When you overall, when you overall help to others, you can say what I can do for you. But when you refuse or can't help others, you can say I'm so sorry because I can't help you at the moment. Okay, the next topic I explained about the verb. In the topic, I explained the 3 points. The first is characteristic, the second one function, and the last actor of time. Okay, I explain from the characteristic. Characteristic of the verb. Verb. I start from verb one. Verb one have 3 characteristics. The first is we use s, es, and as. The second is there is no ed, and the last there is no ed. And characteristic of the verb two, it has ed, but there is no ed. And characteristic of the verb three, there is no ed, but it has ed. Okay, function of the function of the verb one, verb two, and verb in. Verb one talk about the daily activity and talk about the church. And function of the verb two talk about happened in the past. And function of the verb three talk about happen now. And after outline from the verb one, verb in, and verb two, from the verb one, every day, sometimes, seldom, always, and from the after outline from the verb two, last night, last month, ago, last week, and after outline from the verb three or verb in, only now. Okay, I explain from the chapter 3 about job vacancy. About job vacancy, I explain two points. The first is definition, and the second one about structure. I start from the definition. Okay, job vacancy talk about the new information about for others about a job. And structure of the job vacancy, we have 4 structure. The first is title. Title explain about the job, and purpose. Purpose from of the job vacancy to inform for others about the job. And the first qualification. Qualification in the part we information about event. Linguist feature of the news report have three linguist feature. The first is using action verb. In the part, we explain about the event, and the second using saying verb, and the last use present tense. And structure of the news report, we have three structure. The first is news for the event. In the part, we explain about the summary from the event. The second background event. Background event. When we write the background event, we write in the detail because from this we can know about cause and effect. And the last searching. When we write the news, we must have searching because we write with the actual event. And the social function